Hey y'all, welcome back. You can see it's getting a little froggy behind me. It was kind of nice this morning. Yesterday was one of the best days of the year. And now the temperature's dropping and anyway, I've still got the griddle heated up and I'm hungry, so let's see what we got. We got some kind of weirdo fake egg. Nabati Plant Eggs. Plant-based simulated liquid egg. It's supposed to be just like scrambled eggs. Let's find out. Now, if I was thinking, I would have had some ghee or even butter ready, but I didn't. I wasn't. But we got a backup plan. We're going to pan it. Pan. I shook it real good. And trying to get away, of course. Cooked up quickly, just like real eggs. Probably could have used my rings. Okay. Well, this was a experiment. Look at that sticking through my... So it kind of looks like eggs. I didn't even have time to do nothing. Instead of season it, but it just happened so fast. Okay, let's scrape this off. And away. And kind of looks like green eggs and ham. It kind of tastes like green eggs. Hold on, I'll be right back. Egg rings. Let's see if this makes a difference. Makes it easier to manage. Here, ham. It's silicone rings, but I found that a little bit of Pam helps keep your eggs from sticking. Of course, I don't know what this egg stuff will be like, but we let it percolate. Look, I have time for a little seasoning this time. My salt, pepper, garlic, etc. blend, and I really love this stuff. Trader Joe's green and red hatch chili flakes. And I've been using this on everything. Okay, that might be time to flip, maybe. Okay, that was a horrible flip. That's okay. It got the job done. Ish. Let's see. With regular egg, I can slide under there. This stuff is... I thought about bringing out one of my mini cast iron things. I thought, nah, some troll will complain that I'm using a cast iron on a griddle and it's just not supposed to be that way and blah blah blah. Could have done it just to irritate the trolls. Okay. It kind of acts like scrambled eggs. I'll give it that. Oh, you know, I forgot. I got toast. I want a toast toasted. Move this over here to an edge. And get our toast toasted a little more. Any second now. It kind of sort of acts like eggs. I'll give it that. Kind of sort of. I'm an omnivore. I'll eat I'll eat vegan stuff if it's good. I'll eat meaty stuff if it's good, and some of it's all good, like bacon. Anyway, maybe I turned this off too soon, huh? We'll give it another second. One more second. Okay, apparently you missed all that fun part where I taste tested it, and I don't know where you went, but you left me. Anyway, that's what it looks like. It's kind of, sort of eggish. I prefer eggs still. The seasoning makes a huge difference. It's edible. It's edible. And it's not terrible. Honestly, I've had scrambled eggs that were just poorly cooked that have been worse. Seasoning makes a big difference. And that's my 2 cents. You're welcome to it. Anyway, now that you've seen that and whatever else I forgot to add or didn't add or you didn't see, anyway, thanks for watching, y'all. You can see the fog's getting thicker and moving in. It's going to be a yucky day after a beautiful morning. But anyway, thanks for watching. Thanks for following, liking, subscribing, sharing, helpful hints, and all that wonderful stuff. And most importantly, thank you for feeding my fragile ego. And we'll see you next time. Bye!